What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. I want to show you this cute little star bit tool. This is actually a tamper-proof star bit tool, but that shouldn't matter. It's actually going to work with the non-tamper-proof screws. But the nice thing about the tamper-proof stuff is that it gives you the ability to address that, continue to fix it. So you can see here, it's really nice and small, fits in the palm of my hand, and it has plastic sides, which you can see are kind of clear. HORUSDY professional tools, 10-piece. You can see here we have T6 through T30. So T7, T8, T9, T10, 15, 20, 25, 27, and T30 right there. Screws holding everything in, and you can see here they are marked and engraved, T30, 27, 25, 20, and then on this side. And so the tamper-proof basically means there's a little hole in the middle. So they put a little raised nub in some of the screws, so this gets around it. But as you can see here, star bit screws and a crossbar right there to keep everything nice and flat. So this is what this little bad boy looks like. So if you need a set of these star bits and tamper-proof, I would suggest the little tools. These are great so that you don't have the sets that come in the box, the little case. You tend to lose those. So you have everything you need right here. Just whip the sucker out and twist and get ready to go. Hey, I'll put a link to this little bad boy in the description below. Peter von Panda, out.